Welcome to this lesson on statistics and probability. Today, we are going to explore a very special property of the median, its resistance to outliers. We often hear about the mean and the median, but why do we sometimes prefer one over the other? By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what makes the median so robust. First, let's quickly recap what the median is. The median is simply the middle value of a dataset when it is arranged in order. Whether you sort your numbers from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, the median is the value that sits right in the center. It splits the data into two equal halves, with 50% of the values below it and 50% above it. Next, we need to understand what an outlier is. An outlier is a data point that is significantly different from the other observations. It lies at an abnormal distance from other values. Think of it as the odd one out. For example, if everyone in a room is 20 years old and one person is 90 years old, that 90-year-old is an outlier. Let's look at a simple scenario. Imagine 5 students receive weekly pocket money. Their amounts are $10, $20, $30, $40, and $50. This is a perfectly symmetrical data set. If we calculate the mean, or average, we get $30. If we find the median, the middle number is also $30. In a perfect world without outliers, they often match. Now let's change the scenario. Imagine the student who received $50 is replaced by a rich friend who gets $500 a week. Our dataset is now 10, 20, 30, 40, and 500. That 500 is a massive outlier. It is far away from the rest of the group. Let's see how this affects our statistics. Let's calculate the new mean. We add up 10, 20, 30, 40, and 500 to get a sum of 600. Divide that by 5 and the new mean is 120. Notice what happened. The mean jumped from 30 to 120. The mean is sensitive. It gets pulled towards the outlier. 120 doesn't represent the majority of the students, who only get $40 or less. Now let's look at the median. Our sorted list is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 500. The middle position is still the third number, and that number is still 30. The median did not move. It resisted the pull of the outlier. This is because the median only cares about the order of the numbers, not their magnitude. This property is called robustness. This is why the median is so important in the real world, especially for things like house prices or income. In a neighborhood, most houses might cost around $250,000. But if there is one mega mansion costing $20 million, the average price would be in the millions, which is misleading. The median stays at $250,000, giving us a much better idea of what a typical house actually costs. To summarize, remember that the mean is sensitive to outliers. It acts like a balance point and can be distorted by extreme values. The median, however, is resistant to outliers. It is based on position and is a robust statistic. So, whenever you see data that is skewed or has extreme values, the median is usually your best friend.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.